Torrential slide value equivalent to $11.8700 a coin. The present range, $11.73, $11.96. The earlier day close, $11.79, in every way that really matters. In opposition to prevalent thinking, the change really was plus 0.0800, plus 0.68%. Reverse rate, USD to AVAX, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost forecast for June 2023 in a quite enormous manner. Initially cost at $14.11. Most extreme cost $14.94. Lease cost $8.75. The normal for the month $11.92. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $9.87. Change for June 30.0%. AVAX to USD expectations for July 2023. First and foremost cost at $9.87. Greatest cost $10.57. Genuinely least cost $7.71, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Be especially normal for the month $9.11 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.29. Change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $8.29. Most extreme cost $8.29. Lease cost $6.47, which truly is very huge. The normal for the month $7.50, which for the most part is very critical. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.96. Change for August 16.0%, which is very huge. AVAX to USD expectations for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $6.96 amazingly. Greatest cost $7.19. Lease cost $6.25, which sort of is genuinely huge. The normal for the month $6.78 in a really significant manner. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.72. Change for September 3.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023 in a sort of significant manner. At the outset cost at $6.72. Most extreme cost $7.47. Lease cost $6.49 in a sort of enormous manner. The normal for the month $6.92, which is very critical. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.98. Change for October 3.9%. AVAX to USD expectations for November 2023. Before all else cost at $6.98. Most extreme cost $6.98. Lease cost $5.63. The normal for the month $6.41. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.05. Change for November 13.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $6.05, in spite of prevalent thinking. Greatest cost $7.51. Least cost $6.05, in spite of prevalent thinking. The extremely normal for the month $6.66. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $7.02. Change for December 16.0%. AVAX to USD expectations for January 2024. To start with cost at $7.02. Greatest cost $7.02. Sort of least cost $5.49. The normal for the month $6.36, which is very critical. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.90. Change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $5.90, which is very huge. Most extreme cost $5.90. Sort of least cost $4.61. The really normal for the month $5.34. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.96. Change for February 15.9%. AVAX to USD expectations for WALC 2024. Before all else cost at $4.96, which certainly is genuinely huge. Greatest cost $5.95. Least cost $4.96. The normal for the month $5.36 incredibly. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.56. Change for spring 12.1% in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $5.56, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost $5.56. Genuinely least cost $4.65. The genuinely normal for the month $5.19. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5. Change for April 10.1%. AVAX to USD expectations for May 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Before all else cost at $5.00 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost $5. Least cost $3.91 in an unobtrusive way. The by and large normal for the month $4.53. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.20. Change for May 16.0%, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $4.20. Greatest cost $5.21. Least cost $4.20, which is genuinely critical. The essentially normal for the month $4.62, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.87. Change for June 16.0%. AVAX to USD expectations for July 2025. To start with cost at $4.74. Greatest cost $4.74. Least cost $3.70. The normal for the month $4.29. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.98. Change for July 16.0%. USD to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.0842 torrential slides per $1. Today, S reach 0.0836 minus 0.0853. The past day, S nearby 0.0848. Change for now 0.0006. 0.71%, or so they in every practical sense thought. USD to AVAX expectations for June 2023. In the first place cost at 0.071 torrential slides. Greatest cost 0.114. Least 0.067 in spite of prevalent thinking. The in every way that really matters. Normal for the month 0.088. The USD to AVAX figure toward the month's end 0.101. Change for June 42.3% in a quite enormous manner. Dollar to torrential slide figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 0.101 torrential slides. Most extreme cost 0.130. Least 0.095 in spite of prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 0.112. The USD to AVAX gauge toward the month's end 0.121. Change for July 19.8%, which is very huge. USD to AVAX expectations for August 2023. To start with cost at 0.121 torrential slides in a significant manner. Most extreme cost 0.155. Least 0.121, or so they thought. The kind of normal for the month 0.135 in an unobtrusive manner. The USD to AVAX gauge toward the month's end 0.144. Change for August 19.0%, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dollar to